everyone. So I thought I would show you my, well, it's not really my, I found it online, but it's a DIY mount for the Hydra 26. I'm sure it will work on the 52, just have to modify it a little bit. So I went to Walmart and I picked up this on full motion 32 to 47 inch TV wall mount. These were, I think, 25 bucks. I bought two just in case, but we're gonna try to do it with one. So when you get it, this plate right here that mounts to the back of the TV will be attached. The bolt will be through here and then through this hole. And there'll be a nut on this side. All you do is remove that. Keep the bolt because we're going to be reusing that. So now you have just a hole straight through, and the rest of the mount. I then took a thin piece of metal that I don't remember what it came from, but you could use any piece of metal. I'm just using it because I want to hang two lights. So I'm just going to mount this in the center and then drill holes for the Hydra mounts. I already marked the center 6 inches off and then 6 inches off on this side. Then I had a few of these L brackets hanging around. So what I'm going to do is drill out one of the holes so this bolt will fit through. And I will then mount them, one on each side. And then I will mount the plate like so.
This is real shit. Fiends gonna feel this. Cook it on a spoon and the comeback is real. Yeah.
Alright, so now I'm going to take the bolt. When I took it off, it came with two washers. So I'm going to take the thicker plastic one, put it on this side. Run this through. Take the other bracket, put it on the other side. Take the other bracket, put it on the other side. Put that washer in, and then we'll put the nut back on. Since we know where the center line is on the plate that we are going to be using, we will need to measure the thickness of the mount itself. Which is just over 1.5. So if you split that in half, it's about 3/4. So now you can either mark it at the top here, or you can mark 3/4 from your center line to one side. Now that you have that marked, you simply just need to line up the pieces in this case. I will line the edge up with the mark that I made, and try to center it on the plate. Now, that is where our screws would need to go. So I will switch to a smaller drill bit, and I will drill those 2 holes out.
100% serving you raw heat. I ain't been asleep, I've been hustling all week. You hustling balls, I'm hustling eighths of a key. Making G's while you struggle for cake. You ain't baking it right, you burning this shit. My coke comes so raw that it's burning your lips. I'm turning so much shit, doubling up quick. You call motherfuckers just loving a suck dick. Bitch, on the run for dough, chasing a brick. And it's funny how broke people's making me rich. Stacks, 12 J grams and JL Hayes. Re-up, gotta make them plays. I move in silence, stuck in the jakes. Fuck pigs, snitches catch a slug to the face.
Make that dough, boy, you got no choice. 24/7, sunshine or snow, boy. Make that dough, boy, fuck po' boy. What I serve got the fiends like, oh boy. Make that dough, boy, you got no choice. 24/7, sunshine or snow, boy. Make that dough, boy, fuck.
I took 8 washers, 4 bolts, 4 nuts. Sent them through, then through the brackets on the back. Just gotta tighten them up. So, with full motion, what I may do is actually take this bolt back off and put a washer on each, on the inside, so that it's evenly spaced out. Just to help it slide better. But we'll see. Now that we've done that, I'm just going to tighten this nut up a little bit more. There we go. Now it's fairly hard to turn, but still turn. And we need to find the center. Which is 2 3/8. So we'd want 1 3/16. Okay, so now that we know where our center points are, we will need to drill the holes to actually mount to the hydras. My goal is to use this to mount through here. So it would look roughly something like that. Is the bolt through the bracket side.
That dough so I can take that dough. I'm a hustler, you a smoker, I'ma bake that rope. It ain't a joke, I see niggas get poked over coke. Slit throats, I get dough, niggas scheming my foe. What's hate? Hate is when another nigga's making more cake. And niggas is hating, singing to the J. You a hustler, I got stash. Smoker, I got crack. But I'm strapped, go ahead and act, and your ass get clapped. My city's hot, mad cops, steady circle the block. They got cameras on motherfuckers like Stop and Shop. I chop my rocks, go ahead and try to stop my Glock. Your ass get popped.